National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern King County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Union to Burlington, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Hey, I might get a double
Radar
header.
indicated.
Really?
Impact, hail damage to
Yeah, there's
vehicles
a
is
marine
expected.
warning.
Expect
No.
damage to
That's a
roofs,
double header.
siding, and trees.
I'm ready.
Severe thunderstorms will be near.
Epic. That's my first double header.
PM. Lake, Indiana, the Hills, and Gilbert's around 5:45 p.m. Algonquin around 5:50 p.m. Elgin and Trout Valley around 5:55 p.m. Carpentersville, Sleepy Hollow, and West Dundee around 6 p.m. East Dundee around 6:05 p.m.
And I'm using my
St. Charles
HA54
around
and I'm recording it on my
6:10
iPad at the same time
Wayne
for
around
YouTube.
6:15 p.m.
Nice.
Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include South Elgin, Burlington, Pingree Grove, Cary, Union, Crystal Lake, Fox River Grove, and Barrington Hills, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 23 and 41. This includes Elgin Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder,
right.
you are close
We're gonna
enough to
double
be
header.
struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Here we go. Double header.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service.
Yeah,
The
baby.
National
Double header.
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for near shore and adjacent open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor until 6:30 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a strong
gonna make a
thunderstorm
compilation
located near
and
Winthrop
put this up
Harbor,
separately.
moving east at 25 knots.
Nice.
Winds gusted to 29 knots at the Waukegan Airport with the storm. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.